This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Holden Captiva 7 LTZ, stock reference number 4585. This shape runs from the 8th month 2012 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, radiator grille, left hand headlight, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover. Tailgate has 2 small dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, single stack CD player, sat nav display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, mirror and light type, right hand sun visor, also mirror and light type, instrument cluster. And we have rear seats and headrests. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.